Hey, welcome to the show. I'm the Crypto Kid, and in these videos we take a look at Bitcoin and everything that's going on in the world of cryptocurrency. So if you're new to the show, welcome. We make daily videos and keep it relevant to what's going on in the news. And if you're joining us again, welcome back. Let's jump right in and take a look at Bitcoin Cash. Now, as you can see, we are currently at 2,500, if you will, just below that. And it's been a pretty wild few days here. You can see that we have kind of found a little bit of consistency in the price, not as much volatility as we've been seeing. If we take a look at the 3-day spread here, you can see that we've seen a pretty heavy bounce, and we're just coming down off of that reverb, if you will, seeing a little bit more consistency and lack of volatility. Hopefully that will continue. But as you can see over on CoinMarketCap, there is a lot of red, at least in the top 40. Everything is down considerably with the exception of a few, but even then they're pretty much neutral. Now if you take a look at Bitcoin Cash, if we take a look at the 7-day spread here, you can see that we are up considerably, considering that we had those massive gains. So whether you want to say we're up 45% over the last 7 days, you could do so. Otherwise, over the last hour, we haven't seen too much action. Now, if you compare the two, Core and Bitcoin Cash, I'd like to point this number out quite a bit because I remember seeing it closer upwards towards 20 times this earlier after that initial fork in August of this year. Now it's all the way down to 5. Now, if you want to talk about the cashing or the flippening, this is evident as the price of Bitcoin Core continues to drop. We're now getting closer to $12,000. You can see that the fact that Bitcoin Cash has not only maintained more or less its actual value, but it actually is catching up on Bitcoin Core. Now we'll have to monitor that because as these markets will eventually come back, it'll be interesting to see the ratio against Cash versus Core. And as you know, if you've been following the channel, we do like to compare the two. Now, just before we get away here, I wanted to mention that yes, we are in the red, but this is something that typically happens every year around this time. Now, traditionally investing, January is the time, or the new year I should say, is the time where people reconsider their investments. They'll take a step back and look to see where their money is, but not only that, they're cashing out. Now you can see here, this is a chart that shows the most expensive holidays each year in terms of what the consumers will say. And you can see right here, winter holidays, gifts and items that people are purchasing are exponentially higher, more than double, probably even safe to say 5 times more than any other holiday. And you're seeing that in the markets as well. People are cashing out on this insane year we've had. A lot of people are becoming very wealthy. But in my opinion, I like to purchase more at this time as opposed to sell when the prices are low, because I am in it for the long run, and I know a lot of you are as well. But if you are doing some trading, there was a wicked article that came out the other day from Bitcoin.com. This is a weekly article coming out from Eric Wall, writing on the wall. This was more in terms of buying the dips, and I feel this is a pretty relevant article for the day, or at least the time that we're in right now. Now, I don't trade. I don't do a lot of sell-offs unless I need to, but if I was, this is some good advice here. Now, typically, there's a good quote here. You don't want to put more than you can invest or willing to lose. This is a good quote. I'll read it out loud here. The best way to handle that in terms of trading is to have a plan that you simply follow. You should have an idea of the price you want to buy in at and the price you want to close your position at. Both a price you'll take a profit at and a price you'll cut your losses at. Now, basically they're saying in here not to put your eggs in one basket, but basically when and how to take advantage of these low prices, whether you are looking to trade or buy or just kind of hold on. It's a great article with some good advice. I'll advise you to check that out. But if we're talking about Bitcoin Cash, let's jump over to something called Tipprbot. Have you heard of it? It's pretty cool. You might have seen it if you're following us on Twitter, the Crypto Kid, but it is a Twitter and Reddit Tipprbot. Now what that means, it runs off Bitcoin Cash, and this bot, or Tipprbot, actually allows you to send any amount of Bitcoin Cash to a user that's on Bitcoin, or I should say Twitter or Reddit. So it's pretty easy. Basically all you do is you want to find your balance, you just direct message the Tipprbot on Twitter at Tipprbot, and you just type in the one word there, no caps, just the word balance, and it'll within seconds send back a message to you letting you know through direct message exactly what your balance is. Now, in order to have any type of BCH in these accounts, you either have to have someone tip you or deposit some. It's just as easy. All you do is send another direct message saying the actual amount, or the word I should say, deposit, and you'll get a reply with an address, and you can simply just send BHC to the address that's provided. Additionally, if you want to withdraw, just simply DM the word withdraw with the amount beside that and the address that you want that money sent to, and it couldn't be more easy. Now, if you're looking to tip, this is a little trickier, but really you're just looking to put the actual number that you're looking to send, the unit of currency, or I should say what you're trying to send, if you want to send bits or USD. And you can also just put the actual dollar sign, which will then automatically send USD, and then a number with a, make sure you have a space, and then the actual @Tipprbot there. So very easy, and why don't we check this out? But first, keep in mind that yes, 1 bit is actually 100 Satoshis, and 1 bit or 100 Satoshis is 0.00001 Bitcoin Cash. If you didn't know, I'm sure you did. So if you want, what you can do is you can head over to Twitter, and we can actually check this out now. And as you can see here, the Tipprbot is on Twitter as well, and this is who will in fact be sending you, or tipping the chosen recipient, I should say, that BCH. Now, pretty soon they will be looking to expand. Hopefully other merchants will get involved with this, but they are affiliated with Rocket R, which is the company that is trying to get integrated selling digital content, or helping people sell digital content online. So yeah, again, let's check this out. So why don't we head over to my phone? I'm just going to pull that up now. Now, as you can see, I have a tweet here from one of my contacts here, Daniel, on Twitter, and he came out with this tweet this morning saying that he's been helping to integrate Bitcoin Cash acceptance for hostels as he's traveling. I thought that was really cool, so congrats, Daniel, on getting them set up with a Bitcoin.com wallet. And so what we'll do here is, actually I did it already, I sent 1 USD tip to Daniel here, and just within seconds, you can see here, actually it took just about a minute, I got a receipt here from Tippr, and he said, I've transferred your tip of 0.0003 Bitcoin Cash, which is equivalent to $1 at the time I sent it, to Daniel, and he got that easily. So it is really easy to do, and I would encourage you to check it out. And how about this? If you head over to my Twitter page right now, or sometime in the next hour or so, and you actually share this video, or just send a tweet about Tipprbot, whatever you do, just make sure to mention me in the actual message so I can see that you've sent it, and I'll send you a tip with Tipprbot in BCH, and you can share that with your friends. And that way, if you want to pick up a wallet from Bitcoin.com, you can actually withdraw, or just simply hold it, or send it to tipping some of your other friends or family on Twitter as well. So hopefully that was enjoyed. I would encourage you to check it out. It's a lot of fun and a great way to promote and help adoption spread for Bitcoin Cash. So again, thanks for watching. Be sure to check us out on Twitter and hit that notification button to be notified for all new videos. Otherwise, we will see you in the next one, and make sure that you have a great holiday season. So Boas Festas, Feliz Navidad, and Merry Christmas. We'll see you in the next one.